I don't know if you guys have seen these, but I have seen these in the store and a couple of places online, and I thought, hey, that is a crochet pattern I think I could figure out and share with you all. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet a indoor snowball fight snowball. They were pretty quick and easy to make. I have 6 here, but I would recommend making 12. I'll make 12 more here in a little bit, but I wanted to share with you guys how to make them. So let's get started. I am going to use a size 5mm hook, and I am using kind of the softer type of yarn. I don't know, it just looks more like snow to me, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm beginning by making a magic ring, and so to do so, I take the yarn and I wrap it around my finger twice. I insert my hook underneath the first 2 loops. I take my yarn and I wrap it around the hook and pull that through. Then I move my finger out. Then I want to tighten this up, and I will chain 1, and there's my magic ring. Now I'm going to make 8 single crochets into the ring. And then I'm just going to pull on the tail, and then that gives us a perfect, nice little round, closed up bottom. Going to make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish that round off. And then I'm going to chain 1. Okay, for this first round we're going to do an increase into each stitch. So we should finish this round with 16 single crochets. So there's 1 and 2 into that first stitch, 3 and 4 into the second, 5, 6 into the third, and so on until I get to the end. Once again, I'm going to finish this round with a slip stitch into that first stitch. Chain 1, and I'm ready for round 2. Okay, for the second round, I'm going to do 1 single crochet followed by an increase, so 2 single crochets into the next stitch. And we should end the row with 24 stitches. Once again, we'll finish this round with a slip stitch into that first stitch, followed by a chain 1, and then we are ready for our third round. So we are finished with our increasing rounds, and now we are just going to do 5 rounds of 24. So 1 single crochet into each stitch. And at the end of each round, remember to use a slip stitch to join it to the first stitch and chain one before your next round. Okay, so I just finished 5 rounds of 24 stitches, and now I'm going to begin decreasing. So I'm going to do 1 single crochet followed by a decrease all the way around. We should end up with 16 stitches when we're done. So 1 single crochet followed by a decrease. Slow that down so you can see how I do a decrease. Okay, so you should end with a decrease, and then you'll just slip stitch into that first stitch, chain 1, and I'm going to take some time to stuff the snowball. Okay, and now I'm going to do a decrease all the way around this round. So we'll end up with 8 stitches when we're finished. So we're going to single crochet 2 together all the way around, which is a decrease. Then you'll slip stitch into your first stitch of that round, chain 1, and now I am going to cut the yarn off, but I'm going to leave a long tail so that I can weave it in. So now I grab my needle, I'm going to put the yarn through, and I'm going to stuff it just a little more before I close off this top hole. There we go. And now I'm just kind of going to weave it in and out through the outer loop of each stitch. And when I pull the yarn tight, that will close up the hole. Like that. And then to tuck this string, I just stick it through, all the way through the bottom, pull it through, I pull it a little tight so that way the string won't stick out, and then I just squish it so that it's ready to go. And now you have a snowball that you can use to have an indoor snowball fight.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.